What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day and week. In today's video I'm gonna teach you about liquidity grabs, and how you can spot possible liquidity levels that price will get into before moving. So if you're interested, make sure to stick till the end of the video to get the most value out of it. And as always, make sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell turned on to not miss out on future uploads. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I always make sure to check them out, okay? Also, feel free to join my free signal group on Telegram. You can do that by clicking the link down below. And those that want to learn my strategies or book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that by DMing me privately on Telegram by clicking the link down below. And also, if you want to sign up with the broker I use, you can do that by also clicking the link down in my video description. All right, so let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna get straight into the point. So liquidity usually sits at equal highs or at equal lows. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I am talking about. Okay, so we have this. We have two equal highs. Now, price retraces. Okay, so now let me tell you what happens. Most of the traders, okay, retail traders, view this as a resistance level, okay, and they want to sell here. Okay, so most retail traders do this, okay, sell right below the resistance with the stop loss right above the resistance, and the take profit is at the next support level. Okay, usually that's how they play it. So when does the liquidity grab happen? Well, this is exactly what happens. When price goes towards that resistance, towards the equal highs, more than likely it will do this. It will go up, spike through the resistance, grab all the stop losses, all the liquidity. Now the buyers are trapped as well, because now people do what? People now switch their bias and they say, oh, this level was broken, now I think it's good for me to enter a buy on the retest. Then they do this, place the stop loss beneath and take profit to wherever they wanna. And then price does this. From here, it grabs sell side and buy side liquidity as well. It traps everyone in, and then it moves in the right direction very aggressively. Okay, so you can go on the charts and see that this pattern right here can be seen a lot of times. Okay, I mean, it's not picture perfect. Sometimes this high might be a bit lower than this one, sometimes it might be a bit higher than this one, but there's so many times when you get like equal highs or very close to equal highs, and then you get a spike for liquidity grab, and then price goes in the right direction. And the same thing goes for buy. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day, or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. For buys, okay, so for buys, let's say we have two equal lows, and now we have price approaching this support level. So what do most retail traders do? They view this as a support. They will enter a buy position right here with the stop loss underneath. Okay, that's what they usually do. Take profit next support, next structure, and price does what? It comes, it grabs the stop losses, okay, then it traps all the sellers, because now this level was broken, and now people switch their bias, they enter sells. And when price grabs both sell and buy side liquidity, after that it moves into the right direction. Okay, So that being said, let me show you some few examples on the charts so you will be able to see. I mean, as I said, it won't be picture perfect every single time. It won't, okay? Like you won't get every single time equal lows and equal highs. But look, here it's the perfect example. On the M15, like liquidity can be spotted and liquidity grabs can be spotted on multiple time frames on every single one, okay? That depends on what type of trader you are. So right here, we have liquidity sitting underneath these two lows, okay? These two equal lows, okay? So we have liquidity sitting right underneath these two equal lows, and price did what? This was viewed as a support, okay? Right here, support. Price came exactly, look, check this out, same pattern. Boom, 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 boom. And then from here, price came, grabbed the liquidity, and moved in the right direction. Okay, so as you can see, very clear, right? The pattern is the exact same as the one I pictured before. We have two equal lows, price then came, faked out the buyers and sellers, grabbed the liquidity, and then as you can see, it moved into the right direction very aggressively. All right, so let me see if I can see uh, some equal highs. Of course, sometimes there's liquidity sitting above one high as well. And you will see this. You will see a high like this one gets slightly broken with the exact same concept, okay? So we have liquidity sitting right above this high. We see this high get broken slightly, wicked out like this one right here, and then price moves in the right direction, okay? Sometimes it be like this as well. But I really like when I see equal highs and equal lows, right? Like that's the most favorite one in my opinion. So let me see if I can find a very clear equal highs example. All right, that's what I want to see now. So look, I mean, this one isn't as clear because the spike was pretty high, but it's pretty much the same. As I said, it won't be picture perfect every single time. So we have one high right here. We have another one right here. Okay, we have another one right here. Okay, three equal highs, right? So there's plenty liquidity sitting here, plenty. Okay, so that being said, what happened next? Well, as you can see, this level was broken here very aggressively. The liquidity was grabbed, and then price literally flushed, like aggressively. You can see what I mean. All right, so let's scroll and see if I can find one more example before ending the video. Look, check this one. This one is very beautiful. This one is very beautiful. Let me use the bar replay on it. So check this out. We have these two equal highs right here. We have this one and we have this one as well. People will view this as a resistance right here. Very beautiful. And we have liquidity sitting above these two highs. Okay, so let's see what price does. So it's the exact same pattern. Like this one is legit picture perfect as the one I was explaining. So it was like 4 days ago, you know, like come on, this happens a lot. Like literally same pattern. Okay, boom, boom, boom. This is exactly what will happen. Check this out. So oh, we fake out the sellers. Oh, they be like, oh man, I'm in profit, this trade is so good. And check this out, boom, liquidity was grabbed with this spike right here. And then what happens? Guess what? It moves into the right direction. Okay, so liquidity concept is very powerful if you know how to use it, and you'll be able to spot it. But you have to train your eye. You have to go through the charts and see as many examples as possible, and then when you're live trading, you will start seeing the patterns, you know. So yeah, like it's very helpful. It's very helpful for you to know, okay, where do I place my stop loss? Do I need to wait for a fake out first and then enter? What do I need to do? Okay, like it's very important for you to understand this. And you can really use liquidity grabs to your advantage because it will give you a much better entry than usually, and it can keep you out of many losses. Okay, so go on your charts and start looking for these setups. Okay, for setups like this one right here, picture perfect, equal highs, liquidity grab, and then boom, flushed to the downside to the right direction. Okay, before I continue with the video, guys, if you are looking for a broker to trade Forex with, indices or crypto, I highly recommend EuroTrader. You can sign up with them by clicking the link down in my video description. This is the broker that I am currently using. I had no issues with it. They offer spreads as low as 0 pips. They have different account types, leverage up to 500, and their customer support is amazing. They have credit card withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very professional about them, so that's why I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Okay, so link is down below. Feel free to sign up with EuroTrader. So that being said, this was pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to share and like the video. That will be very much appreciated. And as always, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I always reply to every single one of you. All right? I wish you all a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.